Hey guys, it's Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, guess what? Today's the day. Today's the day we're going to test out the tent over my Coleman Comfort Smart cot in my 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Since I posted that video, another way to keep warm in your van, it got a lot of attention, and I wanna do this tonight. Even though I can't get away because it's like Christmas weekend, but whatever. I'm gonna do it anyway in my driveway. And that's gonna be okay, right? But I'm not gonna use any heat. I'm going to just use what I'm wearing. I'm gonna use my double sleeping bags. I'm going to use my tent, and that's how we're gonna stay warm, because there are some people out there in the world that don't have heaters and can't afford power stations to heat things and all that. So we're gonna do this bare bones. I'm just gonna use what I have without any electronic type of heating devices. And I'm gonna keep the temperatures inside the tent, inside my van, and then outside. I have different thermometers. I'm going to set them up, and then we're going to see exactly how warm it gets in the night in the tent with me in it, with no other heating elements, just me, myself, and me in my sleeping bags and my tent over my Coleman Comfort Smart cot. And then we're going to see what the temperature is in the rest of the van, and then obviously compare that to what it is outside. So anyhow, that's happening tonight. I hope everybody enjoys the video, and stay tuned for it, because I'm looking forward to making it for you. So that is all. I will catch you guys soon. Until next time.